Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hide your friend list in your Android or iOS device. For this, go to your menu, then scroll down, or you can go to the gear button here. Now scroll down and go up under audience and visibility, go to how people can find and contact you. And from here you can see who can see your friend list. I select it to only me. You can select it for friend except your the person you want to add here, and I choose to make it only me, so just save it, and that's how you can hide your friend list. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.